2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, running boards, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, compass, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.